Welcome back to another episode of vidIQ Shorts. 60 seconds, one topic, let's go. If you're about to lose monetization because you don't meet the new requirements of the partner program, does that mean you'll lose any other YouTube features or tools? Let's find out. All video creators can use video cards, however you will no longer be able to link to external websites from the 20th of February. YouTube state they are bringing in new eligibility criteria for this soon. The Creator Studio, where you can review audience analytics and manage your channel, isn't affected. You don't need to be on the partner program to claim a custom URL, instead you need to meet these requirements. Custom thumbnails are not part of YPP either, instead you need to verify your YouTube Google account by phone. This has not changed. End screens are exactly the same as video cards, everyone can use them, but only those on YPP can link to external websites. To live stream, you need to verify your account and have no live stream restrictions over the last 90 days, and scheduling videos doesn't require YPP either. For more information on any of this, check out the link in the video description.